Hello everyone, I'm Vicky. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today's video is my Tesco food shop. I sent Dan into store to pick up the food. You know when you just want your other half out of the way for a bit. So I wrote out the list and I sent him off to go and do that. So he's just got back with it. I will go through what he's bought, but first I will just let you know what meals we're going to have this week. So meals that we're going to have is fish cakes with salad and rice, salmon with new potatoes and broccoli, salmon with salad and a relish. That's from one of the Joe Wicks books. I can't remember what page it's from now. And I'm going to have sweet and sour pork with rice and steak with new potatoes, mushrooms, onions and either salad or veg. Haven't made up my mind with that yet. I really feel like my body is craving some healthy food at the moment. I'm going to try to lose some of the weight that I've gained over the festive period. Hopefully I can do that before my birthday, we'll see. But yeah, let's go and have a look at what food Dan has picked up for us. I did forget to say, the salmon we will be picking up at a later date from the fishmongers, so maybe tomorrow, and the pork joint from the butchers as well. So we've got some mushrooms, some grapes. Somebody doesn't watch my videos because he's got green grapes instead of red ones. But oh well, they will get eaten. Apples are the correct ones because I did write Golden Delicious down on the shopping list. Avocados, raspberries, some spring onions. He picked himself up some Milk Bar milk slices. There was 3, but he's already ate 1. 3 bags of mixed salad, some Muller Lights. Picked up some non-fat Greek-style yoghurt, bicarbonate of soda, some of the Uncle Ben's sweet and sour no added sugar, to go with the pork, some baby potatoes, some baked beans, easy peelers, cucumber, some pears, 1 brown onion, loose bananas, some ricotta, I can't remember what I'm using that for, some tinned sweet corn, that is to make the relish with, and then Dan has got himself some orange and mango squash and he got me some blackcurrant one. He also picked me up some Dove deodorant and we've got some of the surf washing powder and a broccoli to go with the salmon. Oh, and he's also picked up some of the Fairy washing up liquid. So this really isn't a very big shop. It's probably one of the smallest ones we've done in a long time. So I've just got a 40 pack of the Winner lot with gravy for the dog. We've got a 4-pinter of semi-skimmed milk and then just some cherry tomatoes. So not a very big food shop this time and just full of healthy stuff, no snacks or anything like that. So a little bit on the boring side, I do apologise. But like I said at the beginning, I am hoping to lose the bit of weight that I've gained over the festive period. So fingers crossed to that. I need all the motivation and willpower I can find. So if you've watched this till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon. But for now, goodbye.